Our product has been used as a protector on the vehicle for 12 months. We are now giving you the details for the removal process. First, we take our denatural alcohol and apply it to the points where the car is stuck. We start spraying. After waiting for 2 or 3 seconds, we first hold it by the corner and pull it out unilaterally. After spraying our alcohol on the remaining adhesives, we can easily remove the adhesives on it with a small spatula, a plastic-tipped tool. After cleaning the last adhesive part on the car, this side of the car is PPF coating, this side is its own normal paint. It comes off from both sides with the same ease, without damaging either side. After completing our last process, after cleaning the surface thoroughly with alcohol again with the help of a cloth, you wipe it after spraying it. You complete the process of removing the product without leaving any thickness on the car. We have completed the removal process of our Duotera product that has been on our vehicle for 12 months. As a result of this process, there was no deformation, and we protected our vehicle from external factors at the highest possible level.